The TD Cash Secured credit card is aimed squarely at people who need to build, rebuild, or improve their credit while still earning rewards on everyday spending. It requires a refundable security deposit between $300 and $5,000, which becomes the credit limit, and TD Bank reports your activity to all three major credit bureaus, making it a legitimate tool for improving your score if used responsibly. What sets it apart from most secured cards is its reward structure. 3% cash back on your top chosen category, 2% back on your second, and 1% on everything else. Categories include dining, groceries, gas, travel, and entertainment, and you can switch them quarterly, which means you can tailor rewards to where your money really goes. It is not without costs. The annual fee is $29, which is not terrible, but still a drawback when compared to some secured cards with no fee. The APR is steep at 26.99%, which means carrying a balance will quickly eat away at your rewards and savings. This is strictly a card for those paying in full every month. There's also a 3% foreign transaction fee, making it unfit for spending abroad, and the cash you tie up as your deposit sits in a TD Simple Savings account, where it is not immediately available for other needs. Although there is a stated path to graduate to an unsecured TD Bank card, it is not guaranteed. It depends on managing this account well as your broader credit profile. In summary, the TD Cash Secured credit card is a strong option for anyone committed to building credit while earning solid rewards at the same time. Its flexible categories make it more rewarding than most secured cards, and the potential to graduate to an unsecured card adds long-term appeal. The risks come if balances are carried, international spending is frequent, or the deposit and annual fee strain the budget, because in those cases the costs will outweigh the benefits.